Good evening and welcome to New York Crypto Talk. Today is May 16, 2018. It is the end of Consensus 2018 Day 3, the end of the Consensus event. A lot of things happen, a lot of great news, a lot of great partnerships. Obviously, the biggest news I think personally in the event actually might have come on the last day. One of the biggest partnerships between two different platforms, which is the only one that I've really noticed that is a major impact, and I think it is between Wanchain and the PundiX team, and I think this is actually going to be one of the biggest partnerships that's come out. Obviously, there's not a lot of information, but Pundi did have a actual presentation yesterday, and Wanchain is also one of the biggest companies that were there. The partnership between the interoperability of Wanchain and the point of service product that Pundi offers. PundiX does work with Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. The utilization of the platform with the Wanchain interoperability between the different services and the different chains can be a huge improvement to what PundiX is already offering. I will be doing a review on PundiX this week. You can actually check the link to see my Wanchain review, but it's a good way to be able to utilize the best of both platforms to be able to integrate with each other. So that is awesome news. Polymath had some nice news today as well. They had talked about buying a stake in a real stock exchange in Barbados. So the business is looking at one of its partners, Gabriel Abed, who is the founder of Bit, a Caribbean platform for mobile money. And basically they're going to be working with the family of companies like T0, which is part of Bit, and they can use this to run a crypto-specific exchange out of the Barbados Stock Exchange. So they might be able to leverage the back end of T0 as a crypto stock exchange for the securities tokens that Polymath is going to be offering. Polymath had just bought the website tokens.com, so they are looking to launch their ST20 type tokens within that platform. So Polymath is definitely something that's going to be up and coming in the next couple of months. People are talking about securities and are very big into how they might actually work. People anticipate both equity and real estate to begin moving into this market. So securities in the blockchain space might actually be a huge market, and I definitely think that Polymath is something people should be doing their own research on and be looking into, because it might be a sleeper as far as functionality and the actual basis behind it and the technology behind it. So definitely look into Polymath. I will be doing so myself into further detail. The SEC just launched a fake ICO website. People have been posting this all over Twitter and social media. So if you guys are not aware, they announced Howie Coin, and basically it's a mock ICO page, basically to show people how easy it is to scam individuals through an ICO. So definitely look into it. Hopefully no one gets fooled by it, but you know, you're not going to get impacted other than just feeling foolish. So definitely check it out, and you can read the article about it. Another project to be looking into is called VideoCoin. It is a ICO right now. The founder of CNET, Halsey Miner, actually invested $50 million, just his project alone, into the platform. So $50 million went right directly into the private pre-sale of this platform. And basically what they're looking to do is build a Netflix type project on the blockchain. So really interesting to be able to offer that kind of platform within the blockchain space. I'm a big believer in technologies that are now moving to the blockchain and moving away from the subsidized or the centralized platforms that people get a lot of money for, and where we're losing a lot of our own rights and abilities to have our own data shared, our own data maintained in one place and location, not having our information shared with other vendors. So definitely going to be looking into VideoCoin. It is currently done with the pre-sale. There's no information about the actual open public sale of the project, but definitely something to be looking into, especially if a CNET founder backs them with $50 million. Definitely makes my head turn when I hear those kind of things. So definitely check out VideoCoin. Looking at the actual coin market cap, we are currently sitting at about $384 billion market cap right now. The market hasn't been doing as strong as one would think during Consensus 2018. People are talking about a bear market coming back. We might see sub $8,000 Bitcoin, and the market dominance could actually go up, and a lot of the money could come out of altcoins. I don't know. Obviously, it's too early to tell. I think there is still a lot of speculation going on. Institutional money has not yet come into the crypto space right now, so I think the summer is definitely going to pick up. Obviously, I was really hoping for a $450 billion plus market cap moving forward, and we would have a little steady increase. But the little bit of a drawback below 400 kind of worries me to an extent. Obviously, I think only time will tell, and the projects that really have the technology will come ahead. So definitely just be on the lookout, do your own research. Hopefully you guys are well informed. I hope you guys like this. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified about new videos. And I hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Thanks again for watching.